Welcome to Cecilia's Place in Toronto. I chose a theme that works with all devices, iPhone, tablet, and desktop, and a theme that showcases each posting with an image and a little bit of what's within the posting. I kept the disclaimer on a separate page because on the iPhone, I discovered that even if it was on a sidebar, it showed in the footer. So I moved it. But in the footer, what I did was I added the menu so that they can easily, even at the end, go to the disclaimer to find my disclaimer. For each posting, when the reader clicks into the posting, what happens is it will lead to either previous or next posting. Within each posting, I try to capture the reader's attention with a little bit of personality, something that's catchy in the title, as well as an opening statement, and about 3 points to support the title, as well as an image or two, and 3 links to related resources, and with a closing sentence. I added category and tags to each blog, and that's how my readers discover this blog. This course has taught me a lot about blog and how to reach the audience, and I appreciate all the information that my classmates have shared on discussion board. Thank you. It was a great class, Allison.